It's Tornado Tag Team time, ladies and gentlemen. So get ready for some of the best action WWE has to offer. All set for action. And in this one, we see Kairi, Sane, and Junkyard. And across the ring, the team they're ready to face off with, Ruca and Psycho Clown.
Tornado is the operative word in the name Tornado Tag Match. Pure destruction and mayhem is going to be released before our eyes here. I hope the referee is ready. Put his shoulders down. This could be it. That was not even close to keeping them down.
Does this style of match favor a more unhinged superstar?
Oh, yeah. You need a twisted imagination to take full advantage of a no disqualification match. That said, sometimes this match brings out a darker side you wouldn't expect in some superstars.
Oh, Psycho Clown is certainly being tested now.
Hey.
This won't be good for Kairi. Facebuster first. And she's fine taking this to the outside.
Body slam.
What a counter!
Hard-hitting kick. And he manages to escape just in the nick of time.
Going right into the pin attempt.
He's able to beat a 2 count.
This far along, you think he'd be down for a little bit longer.
She gets bounced into the corner. Big back body drop. Set him up, Russian leg sweep. Headed out to ringside now. What does he have planned?
Oof, smacked by the back fist.
Boom.
Oh, my Lord! Bringing the fight closer and closer to our announce desk.
Let's just hope they don't bring it onto our announce desk.
Face first off the apron, and he comes in under the work stand. Sliced bread.
Under power slam. Oh, boom. Flying in like a missile.
Snapmare could set something else up. Kick to the knee. La Maestro cradle, perfectly applied.
She fights her shoulder up before one.
How can anyone kick out that fast this late in the match?
One counter met by another. Listen to the impact.
And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this?
Oh, what a back fist.
Uh-oh, jawbreaker.
Call the dentist.
Turns that in his favor. Oh, haven't seen this in a long time. The old area crap. This could be it. This could be the end. Oh, she's still alive.
Sane displaying a great amount of fortitude. Almost an act of instinct to kick out of that.
That was the best weapon in the arsenal, but it wasn't enough to produce an end result. Boom. That puts her on the offensive. And what a...
Hoisted up. Big power slam.
That's how you put away your opponent. Going for the clock.
Savvy alarm.
Escape just in time.
Wards that off. What a response.
Quick exchange of counters there.
Going outside. What's he got planned here? Oh, that hurt. What a counter.
Crash landing.
That failed to hit the mark. You've got to be impressed by the fight. The superstar of the show right now.
This is really anyone's game right now. And that realization is only fueling them more.
Huge super kick right on target.
Oh, my God.
Wow, move. She's getting everything lined up.
Heading back into the ring now.
Uh-oh. Cross the shoulders. Weather down air raid crash.
I think that'll do it.
2 count. And there's the winning team. What a whirlwind.
Here are your winners. The team of Ruca and Psycho Clown.
This was truly a thrilling tornado tag match, guys.
In a hectic tornado tag match, these two guys were able to stay focused and come out on top.